At number 1, we have the Gotrax 20 electric bicycle. This compact folding electric bike is an excellent choice for urban commuters who need portability and easy storage. Its foldable aluminum frame allows it to fit easily in a car trunk, under a desk, or in small apartments. Powered by a capable motor, it offers decent assist for flat city routes, with a modest but realistic real-world range. Gotrax provides solid after-sales support with a 180-day parts warranty and 24/7 customer service. Overall, it's a practical, space-saving option for city riders prioritizing convenience.
At number 3, we have the Funhang 26 electric bicycle. This all-terrain e-bike is perfect for commuters and weekend riders who want built-in cargo capacity and practicality right out of the box. It packs a 1000 Wh peak powerful motor, delivering enough torque and speed to handle any hill or trail you throw at it. The large capacity battery gives you a range of 55 to 60 miles in pass mode, so you can ride all day without worry. Need to carry stuff? Its sturdy rear rack is built to handle your cargo, unlike flimsier alternatives. It also includes fenders and a tail light with turn signals. With front suspension, a bright lighting system, a clear LCD display, and versatile fat tires, it's ready for any surface, day or night. Choose from 5 working modes, from pure electric to assisted pedaling, for the ultimate customized ride experience, even in the snow. While it's on the heavier side at around 70 pounds, the powerful motor and cargo setup make it a strong, affordable performer for those needing serious utility. At number 2, we have the Qlife electric bicycle. The Qlife Racer stands out for adult commuters and light trail riders seeking higher top speed and versatility at a competitive price. Equipped with 27.5-inch wheels and front suspension, it handles mixed terrain well, while the 21-speed gear set provides excellent control on hills. It features 4 riding modes, including a walking assist function, which is highly useful in tight spaces or steep neighborhoods. The removable battery supports convenient indoor charging, and the LCD display clearly shows speed, battery level, and assist mode. This e-bike delivers strong value with trail capability and multiple gears without jumping into premium pricing.
At number 5, we have the Urlife 20 electric bike. Its compact 20-inch frame, paired with dual suspension and all-terrain fat tires, delivers comfort and durability on any surface. Powered by a 1000 W peak motor and a 48V 13AH battery, it's built for high torque and impressive range. Stay in control with the IP54 rated color LCD display designed for year-round all-weather reliability. It's the perfect companion for your daily commute or for weekend adventures, offering the perfect blend of fun and functionality. Great for commuters valuing range and suspension in a smaller, maneuverable package.
At number 4, we have the Gotrax Dolphin 26 electric bicycle. The Gotrax Dolphin is a user-friendly step-through city e-bike designed for easy mounting, daily comfort, and urban practicality. Its low frame is especially accessible for riders with limited mobility or those who make frequent stops. It offers a comfortable upright posture for shorter rides, paired with the quality Shimano 7-speed drivetrain. Boost mode provides a helpful push, and the removable battery allows easy indoor charging. This model excels as a reliable commuter bike with genuine convenience and solid components in the budget to mid-range.